What is litmus in testing? A test in which a single factor, such as an attitude, event, or fact, is decisive. Litmus test has scientific origins. Example sentences. Learn more about litmus test. How do you perform a litmus test? The litmus test is performed by placing a small drop of sample onto the colored paper. Usually, litmus paper is either red or blue. Red paper turns blue when the pH is alkaline, while blue paper turns red when the pH turns acidic. What is litmus made from? Lichens. Litmus, mixture of colored organic compounds obtained from several species of lichens that grow in the Netherlands, particularly Lecanora tartarea and Roccella tinctorum. How do litmus strips work? Both litmus paper and pH strips are small strips of paper coated with a chemical substance that will undergo a reaction when it comes in contact with the liquid being tested. Red litmus paper turns blue if it comes in contact with a base, alternatively blue litmus paper turns red with acids. What are the differences between litmus paper and pH strips? Chemicals and solutions are often classified as being acidic, basic or neutral. These properties are determined by the pH scale, which ranges from 0 to 14. Low pH values are considered acidic, high values are called basic, and values around 7 are neutral. People need to measure the pH because it affects most life forms. For example, a slight change in the soil's pH can kill entire crops. Minimum alterations in the pH of the human body can cause health problems.